Welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Koulic. I am from the OnceHub support team. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your OnceHub account. Before we proceed, I'd like to let you know that this step is permanent and therefore any information that you have, we recommend that you keep a backup of it. So let's dive in. So when you sign in to your OnceHub account, this is the interface that you see. On the top right, you see a profile icon. Next to it, you have a gear icon, which says Accounts. Let's click there. Then we'll select Settings and Permissions. Here you will get the option to delete your account. You'll need to click on this button and then select Delete Account. That's it, your account would be deleted. Still, if you face any issues, do reach us. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.